So here's the thing. I was getting really sick of manually checking like 10 different news sites every day just to stay on top of AI stuff. So I thought, why not build something that does it for me? This n8n workflow I made finds the most relevant stories and delivers them straight to my phone. I'm going to show you step by step how to build it. If you've been following my tutorials on building AI agents in n8n, you know how powerful automation can be. But sometimes you need a little more personalized help to get your specific projects up and running smoothly. So I'm excited to offer one-on-one coaching sessions where you get direct, personalized guidance from me, whether it's setting up your first AI agent, troubleshooting your workflow, or building a custom automation from scratch. If you're interested, just check the link in the description. Yeah, and if you'd also like custom AI systems built for your business that help you save time, letting you focus on what really matters, hit the link in the description below. So this right here is the workflow, and as you can see, it's being triggered by a schedule trigger, or we can trigger it manually using this manual trigger. So I went ahead and opened Telegram, is what you see on the right. This is a previous test execution, so let's go ahead and test it again. So what this workflow will do is it will check a bunch of websites on AI news, which you can see here, and it's going to filter and send me the top 5. So let's go ahead and test this workflow. So it's got all this, and it sent us the top 5 news. And so here the news today. So Cloud MCP agent replaces 200,000 operation $200,000 operation teams. That's an article from Medium. Another article from Medium. Yeah, so this is the top 5 news. So let's go ahead and have a look at this workflow. So what you're seeing here is a schedule trigger, and every single day at 9 a.m. it's going to run this workflow. If you don't know how to add this, just click on this plus icon, search for schedule trigger, select it, and then you're going to configure it. So you're going to set the trigger interval every single day and the time, so 9 a.m. And this right here is a manual trigger in case I want to test this workflow, although I could also test it using this node right here. It's going to do the same thing. Now for this next node, this right here is what enables us to search the web for latest AI news, and it's called the Brave Search node. If you are on, you'll need to update your n8n, so you need to be on this version right here. And once you've updated your n8n, you are going to see, you're going to search for Brave. You're going to search for Brave Search. You're going to click on it, and you are going to install. So in your n8n, it's not going to be installed. It's going to tell you to install. And so you're going to install it, and you are going to select search for news. And once you do so, it's going to appear in your canvas, and you'll need to set up credentials with Brave, and you're going to click create new credentials, and you're going to select Open Docs if you don't know how to set it up. And so you're going to search for Brave API in your browser. You're going to select this right here, and you're going to click Get Started. So once you set up your account, it's going to bring you to this dashboard page, and you're going to click on API keys. Now, if you go back to your n8n workflow, you'll see we'll only need an API key. You're first going to click Add API Key, give your API key a name, select the subscription, and then click Add. it's going to appear in your API keys list down here, and you're going to copy it, head back to n8n and paste it there, and then click save, and you'll be good to go. Now for the operation, you're going to select news search. Yeah, and here you're going to add the keywords you're searching the news for. And the count. So this is how many news sources it's supposed to search. And if you look at the output, you'll notice these are all the results it came up with. So 5 boring and 10 automations that do the work by medium. We've got all this. And the beauty is it also tells you how long ago the article was posted. Now that we've got this brief search, we'll go next to a basic LLM chain. You're just going to search for basic LLM chain, and the source for the prompt you're going to select define below. The prompt is going to be our input. So all the news sources it came up with. So we'll drag and drop it here. And you see when you drag and drop it there, we also need to add this expression .to JSON string, so that this AI node can read the input. And this right here is the system message. And you can see we are telling it it's an assistant, it's supposed to filter out, and how it's supposed to output. And you're also giving it the current date and time, and the keywords, the niche. And so this AI node, the basic LLM chain, uses this chat model. I'm using the Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. And once it's done ranking the top 5 news articles, it then sends me a Telegram message. And this is a Telegram node. So once you've added this Telegram node, you'll notice that you need to set up credentials. So you'll click create new credentials, and you'll realize that you need an access token. If you don't know how to set this up, you can always go to the open docs, but let me take you through. What you need to do is you'll need to go to Telegram. So you'll head over back to Telegram. You'll need to create a new bot. And so you're going to type / new bot. And you need to give it a name. So give it a name, hit enter, give it a username. Okay, let's try again. So we've given it a username. Okay, let's try again. And once you get a username that's not taken, you'll notice this right here. So this is the access token. So you're going to copy it, going to paste it, hit save. gonna test, and it's gonna tell you connection tested successfully. And so you're gonna go back to your workflow. You're going to add a Telegram. You're going to add a Telegram trigger. So search Telegram and select triggers, and you're going to select on message received trigger, and you're going to select the credential you just created. So in our case, it's going to be this. And if you look at the Telegram trigger we had added, you'll notice that we'll need a chat ID. And for the chat ID, we'll need to go back to our Telegram and open the bot. So we'll open the bot and we'll click start, and we'll go back to our n8n workflow. We'll test this so that it listens for a new message. And once it's listening for a new message, we're going to send a message. So we'll say hi, and you'll see it picked up the message, and we'll need to somehow look for the message ID. So we'll look at the, sorry, I meant chat ID. So we'll somehow need to look for the chat ID, and if we look, it must be this. So we'll copy it and paste it under chat ID. And for the texts, we are dragging and dropping the output from the AI agent. So you're going to execute this workflow again. And the output from the AI agent, you're going to simply drag and drop it here, and you'll be good to go. And that's it with this workflow. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment if you've got a question, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.